When we want to give some information about quantities, we need to use quantifiers. A quantifier tells us how much or how many. It can tell us a lot of things. How much, how many, and a lot of are all quantifiers. But which quantifiers should we use? It depends on what we're talking about. Is it countable or uncountable? Let's take a look at some examples. We've already solved many of the issues. There are several items on our agenda this morning. Not many of the people in this department have the relevant experience to solve this problem. We can see the quantifier not many. This tells us that the number of people is small. Here's another example. We need someone with enough problem-solving skills. This time, we're using enough as our quantifier. In both examples, we are talking about the number of something or the quantity of something. The first example is people. The second example is problem-solving skills. There are many quantifiers. Let's try some more examples. Every time we use quantifiers, we need to think about the amount. This sentence uses every as a quantifier. We try to invite some new people to each of our community events. This sentence contains two quantifiers, some and each. We usually put quantifiers before nouns, as you have seen in each of our examples. However, when it is clear what we are talking about, we can use the quantifier without the noun. Look at these examples. Do you have any observations to share at the event? I have a few. We know that the noun is observations. It is not necessary for speaker B to repeat it. They can just say a few and we understand. I wasn't expecting so many people to attend the event. Actually, I invited quite a few who haven't come. Here, speaker A uses so many to describe the number of people, and speaker B uses quite a few to say there are several people missing from the event. Speaker B doesn't need to say the word people because we already know what they are talking about. Quite is an adverb. When we add it to a few, it increases the number of people. Take a look at these two examples. There are a few people missing from the event. And there are quite a few people missing from the event. A few people means a smaller number. Quite a few people means a larger number. As we said, using the adverb quite increases the number of people. There are a lot of quantifiers to use in your sentences. Why not try a few?